To refund your money on the Etsy website, start by opening a browser, such as Brave or any other browser that suits you. Type Etsy.com in the URL section and hit the Enter button. This will take you to the Etsy homepage, where you'll see your account name or username if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you can create an account or log in using the top right corner option, which allows you to use a Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a quicker process. Once you're logged in, click on the Shop Manager option at the top right corner. Then select Orders and Shipping from the list here. You'll see your orders and shipments, and you can choose the item you want to refund. Select the order or item, then choose the Issue or Refund option, and provide a reason for the refund. You can also add an optional message to the buyer if you want to refund the entire transaction. Check the box for a full refund. Review the refund details, then select Submit to complete the process. This should resolve the issue and initiate the refund.